Kiumia kihituku thibitari wa Naivasha ni wamurikirwo thutha wa riboti kurekererio ati o mweri makiria ma ciana 20 ni ikuaga igiciarwo kana ciaciarwo kumana na mathina matiganite maria ni hamwe na wagi wa incubators jiganu. Ona kuri uguo, gavana wa kaunti ya Naikuru Susan Kihika niareganite na riboti ino akiuga namba ino iri iguru muno na ikuũ iria nini ihanikaga ni megutigirira ni ciathiithie makiria.
The national average is now at 19.7 over 1,000 live births. Naivasha is 7.5 over 1,000 live births. So it is less than half of the national average.
Ona kuri uguo, Susan niaugite thina wa generator uria wacungagiriria motungata kurugama thibitari-ini uyu ni ukurorwo na oho kuga incubator ya irari thuku ni guthondekwo kuona ndiaguritwo ni thirikari indi yari kuma kuri andu a wendi mwega kuma bururi wa Amerika.
6 incubators and only 1 is not functioning or is not operational. And this one that's not operational, it was a donation from the US, somebody, I think an organization from the US. We are making arrangements to have a generator. We are making in-house arrangements to have a generator taken there, because that was an issue.
Faruthi wa Israel guku bururi-ini Michael Otem augite ni mekunyitanira na thirikari ya Naikuru hari kugacirithia urimi kaunti-ini ino na oho maundu megii ucenjia wa riera na mitaratara iria ingithingatwo.
Agricultural company, and all in all I see a big change in the interest, but also in the concrete actions of Israeli companies in the last, saying from last October, September. I see a growing interest. Of course, the visit of the president in Israel gave a big boost.
Eria marite hindi ya gwikiranira ngirimiti muciini munene wa Naikuru na thirikari ya bururi wa Israel cia kugacirithia urimi niguo kuhurana na ng'aragu.
It will be crucial to have also the business component further down the road, because I don't personally believe in sustainability of any project without the business interest in it. But I really look forward to many more Israeli companies. You have the need, we have the will, and also the technology, and quite often also the finance.
Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, njĩtagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.